Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. We're going to go after agitators versus wash plates versus whatever you want to call them. There's 95 different reasons. But what I want to get into is old style agitation versus the wash plate versus the bar that comes up. Now this is the Whirlpool, okay? It resembles the old style, agitator that would, run. But technically it's just a wash plate with the elevation on it that gives you the fins that actually helps, pulse the water a little bit for you, okay? Now if we come over here to the GE, this is more along the lines of what it used to be. Now the G's got a little more efficient. The Whirlpool's also been more efficient. But if you look, see how I can spin this? Okay, as the motor pulses, it actually moves more water for you. It'll actually give you a much better agitation cycle than the Whirlpools do, or the ones that have the wash plates that just spin and do whatever. But this is more along the lines of the old school style washers that we all grew up with, that we all love, that say, yes, they don't give me enough movement, how can the clothes get clean? This is about as close as you're gonna get to what it was, okay? Now, which is better? Don't know. That's not for me to decide, that's for you to decide, okay? But personally, mine is the old school like this, that actually you can see it go whoosh, 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 like this. Kind of like the jiggle, back and forth action like that, you know what I mean? That's the agitator dance. So let's make that catch on, do some agitator dance out there, okay guys? But like I said, there's nothing wrong with this. This is a good design, but like I said, it doesn't have the old agitation like the old one used to. Okay, the plate does the back and forth, where this one, the motor only goes in one direction. It goes stop, stop, start, stop, and as it does, the close and the agitator make the motion. So, which is better? Like I said, I've got the old style. The new style is still good. You need to make up your decision on what you'd like, but don't forget to subscribe and like this YouTube channel, and have a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.